Welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campground review. Today we are in Oconee River Campground in the Oconee National Forest. This is a primitive campground with pit toilets, centrally located in trash bins, and a total of 5 campsites. So we like it, it's small. The site, at least the tent site, is level. However, the vehicle side, not so much. I'll show you why. Whoa. And I can quickly grab some logs. Grabbed some logs yesterday, but we were still about 2% off in the leveling, so not ideal. The campgrounds sites are kind of situated along a small circular road. There's a boat launch down there at the river, so in the summer it's quite nice. This season right now there are apparently no hiking trails, except there seemed to be one small here in the woods, but I just saw a hunter disappear there with his dogs, so it's probably not advised to go hiking there right now. You can hear the dogs, and you do hear the road quite a bit, so it's while it looks very natural and in nature, it doesn't feel very secluded, so kind of mad. If you are in the area and need something, it's pretty good. $5 a night, like in all national forest sites, but that's about it, unless you have a boat or a canoe to launch there and explore the river. Okie doke. Hope you like this campsite review. Click like, click subscribe to our channel so that you can follow us along on our journeys across the US and around the world.